Hey Spoolies, it's Myers with Urban Spools, and today we're going to be making a bendy snake. So first we're going to cut our felt, and we are going to make a forked tongue. So we're just going to cut a little strip, and then we're just going to make sure to trim those little edges to give it that nice snake look. Next we're going to take our next two strips of fabric, fold them right sides together, and we are going to draw a snake-like figure on the wrong side of the fabric, making a little diamond head, and we're going to make sure to mark our opening so that way we can turn it right side out. And then we're going to draw two dots for our eyes, which we will then make a little slit through to then poke our nice eyes through. And we want to make sure to make that slit nice and tight so the eyes don't fall out. And then we will just secure the backs of the eyes onto our snake. And then we're going to take our tongue and we're going to put it in between the two pieces of fabric, and we're going to pin it in place so that way we'll be ready to sew it all up. So then we're just going to sew all the way around the snake, but making sure we're leaving that opening so that way we can turn it right side out. Then we're going to trim all the way around our snake, making sure we're not getting too close to the stitching. Then we will turn our snake right side out. And then we're going to fill the head with some stuffing, making sure it's nice and firm, and you might even need to use a chopstick. And then we're going to sew its little neck down so that way it's nice and secure. Next, we're going to take our pipe cleaners and we're going to twist them together, and we're even going to add some stuffing on top of that so that way it will give it a nice firm look. Then we're going to stuff it all into the snake so it can be ready to bend. Then we will pin that opening closed, bring it over to the machine, top stitch our opening, and then voila, we have a bendy snake that is ready for action.